Sometimes when it comes to cryptocurrency, you just have to follow the symbols, or more importantly, follow the people that know what's going on. What am I talking about? Well, XRP just had a very interesting day. More importantly, the CTO coming out with a pretty cryptic tweet. What does it mean? Does this show something big coming for XRP? Well, we're going to break that down, as well as taking a look at why Wall Street are chipping in on the potential future for this amazing coin. All of that in this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We talk about cryptocurrency every single day right here on the 2Bit Crypto channel. With that being said, let's take a quick look at the market. The market isn't looking particularly great. The back end of a Sunday, we thought we'd get a little bit more bullish momentum. We've been around the $44,000 mark for Bitcoin, and XRP hovering around 55 cents. We are seeing a bit of a correction in the market right now, but what are we talking about? Well, Ripple's CTO David Schwartz has been known for being a little bit crazy, being a bit out there, but he did put a curious poll and cryptic tweet out earlier on. Says, shortly after posting the mysterious symbol, David Schwartz launched a Twitter poll with 4 options for the XRP community. 3 of these options showcase variations of the same right angle with a downward zigzag arrow, while the 4th option featured the same symbol accompanied by the words "just show." Surprisingly, the latter option gained the highest votes, with 72.3% of respondents choosing it. So what are we talking about? Well, it was this tweet here. This was a symbol that came up, and these were the options. Now, I'd love to be able to say we know exactly what it is. The reality is we can only speculate right now at this minute. It says this is the Angzar. Some dork in the 1990s paid $5 to have this hard programmed into every computer for the next 20 years. Is this a hint at $5 for XRP? I mean, truly, David Schwartz would have no idea unless he knows what is happening in the background. And I've talked a lot about XRP and how I think the XRP will be a big part, and equally why I think there are financial institutions and banking systems just waiting to get into XRP. Everything they're doing right now for me is setting themselves up so that they can absolutely flick the switch and be used for those cross-border payments, even to the point where they are testing the XRPL with some big liquidity. More importantly, we are starting to see a big move. It says XRP made waves in crypto arena, gaining $300 million in market cap following its inclusion in the Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund. We talked a little bit about this yesterday. Grayscale obviously putting XRP into their GBTC. Very important. Now, just to give you some context, 2.54%. It's a significant amount of XRP. It's in the millions, if not tens of millions of dollars. And I think what they are doing is going long on XRP. They are betting against the SEC that actually everything that comes out will be what we expect, which will be ultimately XRP will become the big cross-border payments used by financial industry to ensure that people move big money cheaply and securely. And I think that is exactly what they're doing. They removed Matic and put AVAX in there as well. We talked about that yesterday in my video, so keep an eye on this. Finally, Wall Street. Now, Wall Street obviously becoming more and more prevalent right now as we move towards the potential spot ETF launches for Bitcoin this week. In fact, in the next few days, we have Linda Jones here over from Wall Street talking particularly about XRP, and in a very interesting statement. The interview, the financial analyst highlighted the route she would typically take before investing in assets, which involves identifying 1 or 2 of the biggest players in the industry. She then mentioned the Ripple's executives, include David Schwartz, saw the path of cross-border payments where blockchain technology could have the biggest impact and utility. And that's important. That's why XRP is going down the avenue that it says. Now, a lot of people say to me, 2Bit, well, it's not pumping, it's not moving. I can't believe XRP, it's going to go da-da-da. I'm absolutely in a world where it will just become a household name. Cross-border payments through financial regulation will be key. And I think it's very important. Here's what she had to say. It says, when you're investing at the government level, it doesn't get any bigger than that. It's trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars. And that is the most exciting investment opportunity and largest investment opportunity, Jones said. Ultimately, therefore, looking at potential government inclusion of XRP. We talked yesterday about the Federal Reserve potentially, or speculation as to buying $30,000 per XRP token. Once again, financial analysts talking about governments getting into XRP. You have to look at the signs. You have to see what people are talking about. We already know that CBDCs are going to be a big part. We already know that Ripple is using or been linking into certain countries. You know, Georgia, for example, that did support the GBDC, the CBDC build out from that country. It's very important. And it just goes on to talk about what it could look like and ultimately the industry being developed. Now, let's take a look at the price. We are just seeing a pretty heavy push onto this bottom support, this hash line here. Very key on this, a big support line that we have. Now, this is chart Prime, by the way, if you're interested in checking Chart Prime out, it's a fantastic suite of indicators. It's a brilliant team that sit behind this. They also have a full Discord where you have plenty of tutorial videos that you can use these, whether you want to be trading stocks, Forex, or cryptocurrency that we've got here. This can give you some fantastic indicators that support your trading decisions. I've been using this now for a couple of months and I'm incredibly happy with it. They're also offering a 30% discount if you sign up with the link in the description. So definitely go and check it out. I highly recommend these indicators. What can we see? Well, we're expecting a pretty strong bounce off this bottom support level to the upside, given everything that's going on. A lot of nervousness in the market, whether we get these ETFs or not. We were in a phase of consolidation. Bollinger Bands just tightening and a breakout. I'd be looking for a bounce back off into this channel here on this price range as we move through. Remember, Jan 11th, we also have a court case for XRP coming up, which could be quite important given the potential outcome of that one, but we'll see. Still 55 cents on the dollar feels like a steal when it comes to XRP, and certainly if you believe what I believe, I think it's going to be a monster of a coin in a few months, if not years time. As ever, let me know what you think in the comments down below of all of this. What do you think the symbol means that David Schwartz did put out on Twitter? And I will, as always, see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.